So hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So WhatsApp Meta AI camera option not showing? Here's the solution. So firstly, open the Play Store app on your device. Now at the bottom, tap on the search option and search for WhatsApp. Now tap on update. Go back to the home page. Now at the bottom right, tap here and tap on clear all. Now open the WhatsApp app and check the Meta AI option. If still not showing, go back to the home page. Again, open the Play Store app and search for WhatsApp and update it properly. If not, tap on WhatsApp and scroll down. Now tap on app support, click on email. Now write the message as it is shown on the screen and tap on the send option and wait for 24 hours. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.